Okay, I want to teach you maybe 2 or 3 things here. First of all, I want to format all of these cells as currency. You can highlight these, hold the control button down, and you'll highlight both ranges. Once you've done that, we can go ahead in the gray area, right click to get your shortcut menu, and you left click Format Cells. Then you go to the currency under the Numbers tab, and you see it even shows you a sample of what it's going to look like. 2 decimal places, got a dollar sign, and you say OK. Now you see everything looks currency. Also, you included these cells so you don't have to come back and do it again. So first of all, let's get the total here, and we're going to use the AutoSum button, and we'll say OK. Now remember, be very careful. Don't hit enter right here, because that's going to include the Social Security number, which will end up $123 million here. So what you do is you click on here, drag it. Once you get to there, you let it go and hit enter. Now that you've got that total, you use the handler, and that's the easiest way. You could have 500 of them right there. Using the handler, it would do them all in a nanosecond. Now, same way here. Do the same thing. The AutoSum button, click and drag, enter, click back on the cell again. Now what you have is all the totals for the quarter, as well as now I want to choose the max, the min, and the average. What I'm going to find here is what is the maximum cells, not CELS, it's SALES, of the salespeople. So what do? I start every formula out with an equal sign, and I say equals max, open parentheses, and I select these cells. Remember, don't choose the totals, and then you hold the control button down again, click and drag it. Now if I hit enter, it's going to show you the max of the sales in all of these 8 employees. Naturally, $20,000 sale in February for this employee was the greatest. Now let's do the same for the smallest sales. So we do equals min, open parentheses, choose them also, hold the control button down, choose them also, and hit enter. Now that's the smallest sales that one of the salesperson did for that month. Now let's do an average. You start the formula out with an equal sign, and you say AVERAGE, open parentheses, do the same thing, click and drag it, hold the control button down, click and drag it, and hit enter. 1,026.30 is the average sales between all these 8 employees and all of their quarterly grand totals. So you see, that's how you can do all of this all at the same time.